In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your avatar on Facebook Messenger. Updating your avatar can give your profile a fresh new look and help express your personality. Let's dive in so you can have your new avatar ready to go in just a few minutes. First, grab your favorite web browser and type in facebook.com. This is the official website where we'll be making these changes. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and log into your Facebook account using your username and password. Once you're on your Facebook homepage, look for your current profile picture. This is usually located on the top right corner of the web page. Clicking this picture will take you to your profile page where all the options to personalize your profile are situated. Next, on your profile page, find the option that says Edit Profile. This is a gateway to all sorts of customization options for your account, from general information updates to profile picture changes. Go ahead and click on Edit Profile to find more settings that allow you to make this change. In the Edit Profile section, there should be a specific option to edit your avatar. Facebook keeps this option relatively straightforward for ease of use. Once you locate the avatar option, click on it to open the avatar editor. This is where the fun part begins, as you get to decide how you want your new avatar to look. Now you can make your selection. You might have the option to upload a new photo, choose from Facebook's pre-made avatar options, or even re-customize an existing avatar. Take your time to explore and pick something that truly represents you. This step might involve adjusting various parameters depending on your choice, and it's your opportunity to be creative. Once you're satisfied with the changes and your new avatar looks the way you want it, you're ready to finalize the update. Simply click Done or Save Changes, depending on the button available on your screen. Facebook will then update your profile with the fresh avatar you just configured. And there you have it. You've now successfully updated your avatar on Facebook Messenger. This little change can make a big difference in how your profile is perceived and is a great way to keep things fresh. Remember, you can repeat these steps anytime you feel like updating your look again. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to change your avatar on Facebook Messenger. I hope you found this guide easy to follow and helpful. Feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions or if there's another how-to you need help with. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials. Have a great day and enjoy your new avatar.